DC News, Mima Ovidia Akwaba Ahadia, latest and hot news and qua Aremeyaw Bremo. And so we now subscribe here. What say over subscribe to the channel. The answer over click it subscribe button. Now what barely notification we answer video for we upload no. Also what's be after we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for us now when you be here. Now who and someone else so will Ghana memo. Afi yimbo ya and some of the toy so yinti a yes sam komo ya ekosu yinti sanse ma baba today yinti
me say 2024 elections no enya omunkwa na agimi o he say MPP win aba na so obi be ka kire say because of asundue nti yemfa ma NDC abakaza Ghana nche e Facebook say MPP ye kokoto aba na kwase ampanyi ni bi sori e be ka kire say ono na ye asundue yin ofiri wiemu na aba na nyankopon asoma ne se o me kantre MPP fo se mo na mawe ni na mo masundue nti mo mfa ma NDC fo abakaza Ghana nche se san kwase ahuna na wo mo de nam no ye be ka kire o mo 7 December se police mpe ba bi nyina soja mpe ba bi nyina na NDC ni MPP yenti opia tumi wona wo because kasika na me kasika no botu a me botu me ka kire MPP ni bia se NDC ni kasika na twan bi nko report to police ba bia police ni amania
omeka say who preach violence and
lawlessness me say san kwase ahuna na wo mo dia start no NDC ni kasika na twan bi nko police amane wo ya kwase a wonim nyansa na NDC me da maka me you can't do such nonsense because here me ready so bu obi wa sampa mama ya bu NDC ni wo tuna na onyewe NDC ni wo sampa no di nkwa asema ade ti MPP ni a me organize na NDC ni onam sunya na onyewe no so kasika no wo sampa NDC ni wo sunya na onyewe ya me ya twa ne sika na tika se nchise amaye no
eno be lawless
Sammy fearless papa obi ntimi ntrase nye se emfie nwotwe aso nti ba force obi mfa to me ma obi what kind of nonsense is that
na obi be bisasa adena all political parties wa Ghana ha anti electoral commission apeso tafufuo adifa ye chi adiwura ye num aso tafufuo adifa ye chi adiwura ye num ne ye ya kire na MP anya bi
Alaska the Dawn asem we no abosu
na impense se asem ani adanse ne ye twabi ade ya adanse
Alaska the Dawn asem we no abosu
megini se Dr. Akufo Dampare etie the national security panifo tie show we never yankwa ne ye the national third vice chairman of the MPP or see I targeting the NPP youth to crash and a woman woman aya protest no na kimpatwa
Alaska the Dawn who fearless papa
yenti NPP national third vice chairman of the NPP national third vice chairman of the MPP tiasema oka yanko adia be sigana ha kacha use NDC for who yeah, MPP for a baby. I will take you. Demonstration. Some say constitutional right. Take this demonstration. Will face them boot for boot. I'm telling you, never clash on MPP food soldiers. Go and clash NDC. Tomorrow, never clash on. This is demonstration. The MPP doesn't have any pass. I'm going to call demonstration. NDC are called police pass or they call demonstration. Yeah, stop it. I'm telling you. Stop the work of the Ghana police. It happened before. Targeting is a lie. It's targeting the new patriotic flag. They have seen that they have no any word. They have seen that they have lost focus. No policy, no message. So to 2%
asem we no abosu
na impense se asem ani adanse ne je twabi ade ya adanse
Alaska the Dawn asem we no abosu
megini se Dr. Akufo Dampare etie the national security panifo tie show we never yankwa the national third vice chairman of the MPP or see I targeting the NPP youth to crash and a woman aya protest no na kimpatwa
Alaska the Dawn who fearless papa
Yentie NPP National Third Vice Chairman of the NPP. National Third Vice Chairman of the NPP. Tiasema Oka Yanko. Adiabe Sigana ha. Adiabe Sigana ha. Catch out say and this for so and this for who? Yeah, MPP for a baby. How is it demonstration? Some say constitutional right. Take this demonstration will face them boot for boot. I'm telling you, never clash on MPP food soldiers. Go and clash NDC. Tomorrow, never clash on. This is demonstration. The MPP doesn't have any pass. I'm going to call demonstration. NDC are called police pass or they call demonstration. Stop it. I'm telling you. Stop the work of the Ghana police. It happened before. Targeting EC is a lie. It's targeting the new patriotic party. They have seen that they have no any word. They have seen that they have lost focus, no policy, no message. So to ascend 100% tomorrow we are demonstrating against them. If they have issue against EC, they should send the issue to court. They have no right to go and this thing. They have no right to go and claim any issue office to demonstrate. I'm not presenting petition to the EC. That's all. I'm presenting to the EC. We will clash them.
Alaska the dawn.
That is a clash. That Ghana police is so maybe give it to them finally.
Yep. I will say what? Or your national third vice of the MPP. Or see, demonstrating against the EC is an attack on the MPP. It's just saying. When we say the electoral commission is an extension of the NPP, and for that matter, so we catch a sacrament, no power, no cramang buefu, a son is a woman enough in cramang abusium.
Akoto FM 92.3.
And one was some year cana, Musi and Yano Kura, MPP third vice say. Targeting the electoral commission or demonstrating against the electoral commission is a target on the MPP. It's a normal catcher, say. A MPP for a normal electoral commission. So, bisa who say, I then a year called demonstration, not MPP and Kobe.
Akoto FM 92.3.
And another is going to be the most useless president ever. Now, him. Your body the same red ye the tumre would na do nankasa bisase na fangusa question in touch amua osuro
Akoto FM 92.3
na yesi osuba to ya na from medican na ye bisase and Masaudu say they should go out and crash NDC for and ye bisase MPP for na ya no moteno mubako Masaudu fie Anamuba baby amuba
Akoto FM 92.3.
You see me what for tell you about things say. So the sika ma onyansania or the dow mano baba but all the sika show kwasiansa or the big twitwa nipa.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
Ye for democracy just say kwasiansa. Wo the democracy ye for nse nipa onim nyansa. Ye for kabi mami nkabi. En for nse ni onim nyansa ansa. Now, Masaudu Catherine say demonstration yet. It is like NDC will be one fan court. Anytime I come from back just a court to be many sister. Hey, Chief Justice.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
If you catch you be say Ghana for bedu Ghana.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
Now, Abronye, Mr. Beautiful. And so I original chairman, Theo. Adiana Akoto no are well orchestrated. Abronye su kotenase. Our movement TV so tieni onu so akaya. Onu so your regional chairman. Live on your radio on 92.3. Abronye awon fedua Mr. Beautiful.
Me say 2024 elections no. Enya omo kwa na agimi o. He say MPP win aba. Na so obi be ka kire say because of asundue nti. Yemfa ma NDC e baka za Ghana nche. MPP ye kwakwato aba na kwasiampanyi no bi sori ebe ka kire se ono na ye asundue hina ofiriwie mu na aba na nyankopon asoma ne se o meka kire MPP fo se mo na mawe ni na mama asundue nti Monfama and this for Bakasa Ghana and Che. Sasan Kwasia Huna, Wamodin Nano. Yaba catch almost 7 December say police in Peba Binina, Sojan Peba Binina, and this in MPP to because Casicana make Casicano, but to a mebotu may catch the MPP need Biate, and this in Casicana can be called report to police in Alaska. Police near Mania,
Ombakasa who preach violence and
violence. Say, San Kwasia Huna, Wamodia Statino, and this in Casicana can be, and Kobo police Mania. Oya kwasia onim nyansa na this medamaka me you can't do such nonsense because here me reading so bu obi wa sampa me ya bu this ni wo sunyana onye and this ni wo sampa no din kwa asema e de MPP ni a me organize na and this ni onam sunyana onye hwe no so twase ka no sampa and this ni wo sunyana onye ne ya me ya twa ne seka na teka se say amaye no
eno ba lawless
Tani fearless papa obi ntimi trase nya say emfie nwotwe aso nti ba force obi mfa to me ma obi what kind of nonsense is that
Alaska they done
lawless obi ntimi sware ma ye bad branding no one fan pictures antitaro
Alaska they done fearless papa
enti wensu another chairman anusu need
Alaska they done as same way no abosi
Sammy Awuku,
which comes on the 1st of December. There are many calls of people whose names, whether deliberately or not, have been omitted across the 10 regions, and is beginning to up the tension.
I would say on Facebook.
The Christian Council of Ghana should not sit down and only be interested in people signing peace accord when those held and gifted with the responsibility to ensure a free, fair, transparent election are reluctant on their duties. Peace accords on paper on itself cannot provide us with a transparent election.
Facebook.
What is sad for us in the MPP youth wing is what has been lost in the narrative.
Hot news all time.
There's this whole peace industry in Ghana. Peace industry. But nobody is talking about the fairness, the transparency. It's not enough for the electoral commissioner to go to church and say she's praying, God gives us a leader. When some of the posture and utterances of the EC seems to suggest that they have a favorite in the election. When the electoral commissioner can say that when the election is becoming too close, I'll call for a recount. My goodness. You are a referee, you are not a player. And sometimes the electoral commission behaves like a team protesting against an unqualified player. When you are supposed to be the referee in the game. It's when I'm contesting my brother here and I am aggrieved with the result, and I'll call for a recount. These things cannot pass without the Peace Council, the Christian Council, our Muslim Council admission to no commenting on it. Elections is not an event, it's a process. From the process 1 to the process 2 to the process 3 to the process 4, all of it must engender confidence.
Alaska the dawn. Fearless papa.
Enti Yambisa Masaudu Osman, the 3rd vice chairman of the MPP national, said at the time I not Sammy Wukuni MPP yes amukọ demonstrate na court ni wana.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Now, Bibacho obiamfa aye ni mobile phone. So officer for laptop. Na ko Peace FM online. Peace FM online. Google as engage independent body to audit register.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Bibacho engage independent body to audit register. Jean Mensa.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
Bibacho at the NDC for bono contention, the subject matter entire. When we hear demonstration across the country, they say, when we pay independent body to audit the register, Jean Mensa a produce you.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
And in 2015, Jean Mensa a executive director at the Institute of Economic Affairs. I trying to pursue Yafrano IEA.
Hey, Alaska the dawn. As same way no abosi.
Ne Amre Dr. Bawumia Abronye Tibeka say omenya over 76,000 approximated to 80,000 names are. Womusuzu zomuye Togolese no Tienya Jean Mensa den okachire Ghana for.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
Enti yakwa Peace FM online makachire the date no. Aya 28 October 2015.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
Me ba chop me ba be kinkan na our key words be a underline na me wi aye be chirem na ye bisa Jean Mensa say wada pa adedi. Now whether you like it or yes, there will be a forensic audit because we are going to use your own words to judge you today.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
And the MPP anyway, and you be winning, you be breaking 8 in some kwasi adi way, and a person will break 8. Ghana for air tremor.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
And the Yababa can Peace FM online. We see Peace FM online. My body, it's Yafa credit in the farmer.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
I engage independent body to audit register 28 October 2015. Mami Jean Mensa and all the other way by in the back of this. And now NDC any electoral commission agree and the independent body by
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
At the end I Jean Mensa communicate on the buyer. Or see a communique at the end of the Institute of Affairs. Organized debate on whether or not to replace the voters register has asked the electoral commission to show proactiveness and leadership by engaging the services of a competent, credible and external organization to audit the electoral roll.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
I was a Mami Jean Mensa in 2015 and not try the electoral commission said. Sa names be a yatutu ye wie bi ne de aba be hyem no onu de onu be catch the electoral commission ne say se sa register no ye de two aba enye yie but no the MPP were calling say yentro yen to register ne ntwene ne yenya foforo Mami Jean Mensa na oya electoral commissioner say se yesi ye to atwene commission ne say se sa register no ye de two aba enye yie. But then the MPP were calling say yen to register nin twene ni yenya foforo. Mami Jean Mensa na oya electoral commissioner say yesi ye to atwene a onu ni de oni wo nya adwene mom yempe ba sumbegwe bia wo mu nsa aban ase wo mu ni control bia o awa aban ase na wo mu meya hwehwem na Owusu the word proactive. I just offer the Oxford Dictionary. They can say proactive as in creating or controlling a situation rather than just responding to it after it has happened.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
It is a case of proactive or proactiveness. Just I was say we ye bibi and send admission. They say register no ye the two about enye ye. But then the MPP were calling say yen to register nin twene ni yenya foforo. Mami Jean Mensa na oya electoral commissioner say yesi ye to atwene a onu ni de oni wo mu nya adwene mom yempe ba sumbegwe bia wo mu nsa aban ase wo mu ni control bia o awa aban ase na wo mu meya hwehwem na Owusu the word proactive. I just offer the Oxford Dictionary. They can say proactive as in creating or controlling a situation rather than just responding to it after it has happened.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
It is a case of proactive or proactiveness. Just I was say we ye bibi and na bibia ye bibi and tell the witness na bibi si ansa na uka say mi huyanka.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
It anama mi Jean Mensa utiwo ana ye di register nama. So you must also be proactive by making sure say you do the needful before something happens.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
Another key word our Jean Mensa oti brofo ni statement nim aye competent. And the competent means having the necessary ability, knowledge, or skill to do something successfully.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
Or just a yempe basumbe gwebia one. Womu humu. Womu nimdia. Womu nyansa di betumi ado bibi mu suko aye mana ye fe. competent organization.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
And the last one, Amami Jean Mensa is credible, able to be disbelieved, able to be believed, convincing. Sir, womubeya adiano na emubeda emubeya kurunjia obia de niru ebeshema obejia di.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way no abosi.
And also independent. Independent means free from outside control, not subject to another's authority. And the way ni aya proposals are Mami Jean Mensa our IGP Adima Electoral Commission then.
Me say 2024 elections no. Enyo mo kwa na agimi o. He say MPP win aba. Na so obi be ka kire say because of asundue nti. Yemfama NDC e bakaza Ghana nche. MPP ye kokoto aba na kwasiampa nyini bi sori ebe ka kire se ono na ye asundue nyina ofiriwie mu na aba na nyankopon asoma ne se o me ka kire MPP fo se mo na mawe ni na mo asundue nti mo mfama NDC fo aba kaza Ghana nche se san kwasia huna na wo mo de nam no ye be ka kire o mo 7 December se police mpe ba bi nyina soja mpe ba bi nyina na NDC ni MPP ye nti opia ntimi huna because kasika na me kasika no botu a me botu me ka kire MPP ni bia se NDC ni kasika na twan bi nko report to police ba bia police ni amane
Ombeka say who preach violence and lawlessness.
Me say san kwase huna na wo mo dia start no NDC ni kasika na twan bi nko police amane wo ya kwase a wonim nyansa na NDC me da maka me you can't do such nonsense because here me reading so obi wa sampa mama ya bu NDC ni wo sunya na onyewe NDC ni wo sampa no di nkwa asema edit MPP ni a me organize na NDC ni onam sunya na onyewe no so twase ka no sampa NDC ni wo sunya na onyewe ya ma ya twa ne sika na tika se nchise ama ye no no
enu be lawless
tani
fearless papa
obi ntimi ntrase nye se emfie nwotwe aso nti ba force obi mfa to me ma obi. What kind of nonsense is that?
Alaska the Dawn.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone about beto ya proso. Because GC News so and our hero. So when you subscribe, we are Omodia say over subscribe to a channel. Since I had the latest and hot news in Kwa NAPO Bremo. After we are like video, give us a thumbs up, Nafi, share my offer so now when you be here now and someone Akoto Ghana Mahama. Also with me at share what you have for years. And so when you now comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.